Becoming rich in 300 days is an ambitious goal, but with discipline, strategy, and relentless execution, it's possible to significantly increase your wealth in a short time. The first step is to adopt a wealth mindset. This means shifting your thinking from scarcity to abundance, focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles. Read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad or The Millionaire Fast Lane to rewire your mindset. Surround yourself with successful people who can inspire and mentor you. Next, assess your current financial situation. Calculate your net worth, track expenses, and identify areas to cut costs. Freeing up cash allows you to invest or start a side hustle. The key is to increase your income streams. Relying solely on a salary won't make you rich quickly. Start a high-income skill like coding, copywriting, or digital marketing, which can generate freelance income. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you monetize these skills fast. Investing is crucial for rapid wealth accumulation. Begin with low-risk, high-reward opportunities like index funds or ETFs, but also explore higher-yield options like crypto, real estate crowdfunding, or flipping undervalued items. Research thoroughly and avoid get-rich-quick scams. If you have capital, consider starting a business with high demand and low startup costs, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Scalability is key. A business that can grow without proportional increases in effort will accelerate your wealth. Leverage social media to market your products or services aggressively. Consistency and smart advertising can explode your income in months. Cut unnecessary expenses and live below your means. Save at least 50% of your income to reinvest. Time is your most valuable asset. Work 12 to 14-hour days if necessary, focusing on income-generating activities. Avoid distractions and stay laser-focused on your goal. Negotiate higher pay or switch jobs if it leads to a significant salary bump. Network relentlessly. Opportunities often come from connections. Learn to sell, as sales skills translate to higher earnings in any field. Finally, stay adaptable. If a strategy isn't working, pivot quickly. Monitor your progress weekly and adjust your plan. Wealth in 300 days requires extreme effort, but with the right mindset, multiple income streams, smart investments, and relentless execution, it's achievable. Start today. Every day counts.